Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're craving that authentic wood-fired pizza taste but hate dealing with gas tanks or outdoor setup in bad weather, then get ready to be amazed because today we're reviewing a total game changer. I'm talking about the Ooni Volt 12 electric pizza oven. This sleek indoor beast brings pizzeria quality pies right to your kitchen counter. Available on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, it's going to make your pizza nights epic without the hassle. Let's dive in and see why this oven is heating up homes everywhere. First, the feature breakdown on the Ooni Volt 12. This isn't your typical countertop appliance. It's an electric pizza oven designed for both indoor and outdoor use, cranking up to a scorching 850 degrees Fahrenheit in about 20 minutes. It plugs into a standard outlet with 1800 watts of power, so no fuel needed, just electricity for consistent high heat performance. The oven has a 12-inch cooking surface, perfect for Neapolitan-style pizzas cooked in just 90 seconds with that signature char and leopard spotting. Controls are simple with dual dials for top and bottom heat adjustment, letting you fine-tune from 230 to 850 degrees. There's a boost mode for quick recovery between pies and a timer with auto shut-off for safety. The triple pane glass door lets you watch the magic, and the interior light helps monitor without heat loss. Build quality is top-notch with powder-coated carbon steel that's insulated to stay cool on the outside, weighing about 43 pounds for stability, but still portable with handles. It comes with a baking stone and a recipe book to get you started. Setup is easy. Unbox, plug in, and preheat. Priced around $900, it's an investment in restaurant-level pizza at home. Now, pros and cons to keep it honest. Pros are huge. The electric convenience means no mess with wood or gas, just plug and play for year-round use. It hits pro temps for authentic crust without an outdoor oven. Versatile for more than pizza. Think calzones, steaks, or veggies. And users love the even heat and quick cooks that rival Ooni's gas models. The insulation keeps your kitchen safe, and the compact size fits most counters while delivering big flavour. But no oven's flawless. The main con is the price. At $900, it's not cheap for casual pizza fans. It's heavier than some portable options, so moving it around might be a workout. Some mention a learning curve for perfect pies, and while indoor friendly, it can get smoky if not vented well. Overall, pros crush the cons for serious pizza lovers. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely go for the Ooni Volt 12 if you want hassle-free, high-heat pizza indoors. The pros, like electric ease, pro results, and versatility, make perfect sense for apartments, bad weather days, or anyone ditching delivery. It's not just an oven, it's your home pizzeria for endless fun and flavour. Before we end, if these reviews fire you up, hit subscribe for more gear tips. Click the affiliate link in the description. It helps the channel and scores you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.